Good morning, internet world. I'm here in my greenhouse. I thought I'd do a quick video. Weather's starting to get cooler. I've got my beautiful banana plant doing really well. The new leaf is starting to pop out. And of course I got my wife's plants all in here. I've got my macro greens that used to be microgreens that are now huge. And of course the caterpillars are also eating on these. So I share my food with the caterpillars. And then what I do is I pick a few leaves every morning and make myself an omelet out of them. This is the mint biofilter. And you can't even see the filter because the mint is taken over. But you can see this mint is super, super healthy. And this is how I know my greenhouse is in good shape. When I look at this mint in this biofilter and I see that it's happy, it's smiling. Here's a couple of veggie plants that I snuck in there. Unfortunately, the mint overtakes everything pretty quickly. So I tried growing some veggies in here, but the mint just overrides it. So this is the biofilter. And as you can see, the mint is doing incredible. I'm adding some more water to the fish tank. The system is very friendly in the sense that, you know, when the water level starts getting low, the geyser pumps are still going, which means the fish will not die. Of course, the geyser pumps are used to pump water, which means the plants don't get as much water at a certain point. However, the plants can last a long time without water, you know. So I've gone in here where I haven't come in here for like a week, and the water level is really low. Oh, there's one of our, I think that's one of our caterpillars. What is that? Yep, that's a cocoon. He's fish food now. Anyways, the system is very fault tolerant because, you know, since it's powered by air, when those geyser pumps drop, when the water level drops below the geyser pumps, they stop pumping water, but the air is still going into the pond. So that means the fish are always going to be fine. And then as long as I can get in there, you know, get in here within a week or so and start adding some more water, the plants are also good. You can see now one of the back bell siphons is starting to dump. And that's what happens is each grow bed, it fills, it drains, it fills, it drains. In the back of this black area, this is supposed to be the thermal battery. This normally would be a container filled with water that's painted black, acting as a thermal battery, but I have not implemented that. But this is where I separate my plants from my mushrooms. So back here is all the mushroom chambers. Right now I'm not doing much with the mushrooms, but I'm getting ready to buy some more spawn and start doing some more mushroom experiments. But if you look through my videos, you'll see some of the mushrooms that I've grown in here. Anyways, that's all I've got for you guys. Please like, subscribe. Peace, love, and understanding.